Hello, everyone. Welcome. Ever thought about using life force, the great force that sustains all of life and your body and your health and your vitality more consciously in your life to expand your energetic awareness? Hey, here we are. Let's dive deep into the science of yoga and pranayama with a few simple exercises. We'll start with one of my favorites, which we're going to use a lot today, which is double inhalation through the nose, exhale out the mouth. So it goes like this. Inhale, double inhale, exhale, double exhale. Inhaling, exhaling. Do it with me. So now we're going to add a simple movement. So let's bring our hands together in front. Double inhalation through the nose, tense the body. Draw the arms out to the side, tense, tense, tense. Exhalation out the mouth. Consciously relax the body. A few more times. Inhaling, exhaling, inhaling, exhaling, inhaling, exhaling. Fantastic. Drop the hands by the side for a moment. We're going to jump right into some extremely advanced energy work that's really going to expand our energy. Only if you haven't eaten in the last, let's say, 1 to 2, preferably 2 hours. So if you have eaten, go back to this double tense the body. And if you have not, we're going to do Uddiyana Bandha. So Uddiyana Bandha is legs a little bit wider than hips distance. We're going to throw out all the breath, draw the tummy in and up, hold the breath out for a certain amount of time. Then we're going to relax the belly and take a nice deep breath back in. I'll talk you through the first round. So standing, put your hands on your knees. Throw all the breath out. Double breath. Belly in and up. Relax the belly back down. Long, slow, deep inhale. Hold the breath at the top for a moment. And exhale, come to standing. We're going to do a few more rounds of the same thing, which is a highly energizing, powerful technique. If you want to hold a little bit longer, and you can hold a little bit longer, go ahead. Otherwise, stay with this more simple rhythm. Okay, hands on the knees. Throw the breath out through the mouth. Stomach in and up. Relax the stomach down. Long, slow, deep inhale. Hold for a moment at the top. Exhale, come to standing. Yeah. Obviously, a very powerful way to work with energy. Let's go for one more. Hands on the knees. Double breath out. Drop the stomach back down gently. Long, slow inhale. Hold it at the top. Exhale. Back to standing. And a minute here just to equalize the energies. Just watching the breath. Close the eyes. Interiorize the energy a little. Uddiyana Bandha is a very, very, very powerful technique. It can really stir the energy strongly. So a moment just to let that be absorbed by the system. And when you're ready, you can open your eyes, and slowly we'll make ourselves down into a seated position. That can be on a chair or on the floor or whatever you like. Just find yourself in a position that's comfortable, where your body's nice and relaxed. Preferably, if you're not quite flexible, you do have a cushion, because your knees should be touching the ground, right? Your knees should be in contact. Your body should be nice and relaxed. Spend a moment here, close your eyes, let the breath begin to flow. And we're going to do the exact same breath that we did in standing for a series of breaths. And then we're going to take a long, slow, deep inhalation, holding the breath in, and then relax the breath back and let it come back to normal. So I'll guide you through the practice. Take a moment, close your eyes, center yourself. And we'll do this double inhalation through the nose, double exhalation out the mouth. Throw the breath all the way out. Long, slow, deep inhale. Hold the breath at the top for a moment. And when you're ready, nice, long, slow exhale. Letting the breath return to normal. Body nice and relaxed, eyes closed, so that we can absorb all of the benefit of our practice, right? Really letting your body benefit from this prana bath. And one more time, the same thing. If it gets too long for you, just do the inhalation earlier. If you need to come out at any moment, make sure you listen to your own body and do what's right for you. Otherwise, let's do the same sequence again, a little bit longer. Double inhaling through the nose, double exhaling through the mouth. Throw all the breath out. Long, slow, deep inhalation. Hold the breath at the top. And when you're ready and it's right for your body, long, slow exhalation. Let the breath return back to its normal rhythm. Nice, easy, relaxed breath now. We're done with drawing in the cosmic energy. Now we just give our body, our mind, and our spirit the opportunity just to absorb, to integrate, to relax, to see. Breath is calm, mind is calm. And maybe there's some gift today in the silence, some recognition that's meant to happen in this moment. Stay open, stay relaxed, and see. And a moment just to bring your hands together at heart center. Gratitude for our body, gratitude for our mind, gratitude for our spirit, gratitude to all of life. With which we're profoundly and beautifully interconnected. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. And thank you for sharing our practice today.